behind me, guys, is the Millennium Juniper. Hey guys, we're here in a coffee shop inside Namin. So this is Islanda Lounge. Hey guys, this is JE and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for this video, we are on another tour. This is going to Nami Island, pero may iba pa tayo mga pupuntahan. So if you would like to know more about this tour, stay tuned because that is coming right up.
Filming competition here. Please hurry up, everyone. It's okay, everyone. 这棵树是代表这个庭园的代表。
We are on our first stop, guys, and this is called the Garden of the Morning Calm. And sobrang lamig dito. May mga yellow pa. Buti ngayon wala. Dito na tayo, guys, sa area nung may hanok. Look at them. They look pretty kasi merong mga snow yung mga bubong nila. That's why from afar, color white. Right behind me, guys, is the Millennium Juniper.
Non-spicy. 볶음면? English. Ang konti ng salo.
Hey guys, as usual, basa na naman yung buhok ko kasi may nakain na naman ako maanghang. Anyway, we're here already entering Nami Island, pero kagagaling lang namin ng lunch in one of the local restaurants here specializing the kaldi. Hey guys, welcome back to me. This is Nami Island. So I was expecting it to be snowy but it's not. Pero wala nang dahon ang mga puno. Oh, this is also beautiful right here. Look at that. Hey guys, we're here in a coffee shop inside Nami Island kasi medyo nag-drizzle sa labas, so we found this place and we got some coffee. So this is Islana Lounge. Ayan. That quick, we're back here, guys. Hello guys, we are now here in Myeongdong area. This is actually yung Lotte area, sa department store. And syempre, hindi kami bibili ng mga anik-anik. Nakikidaan lang kami. Yan, ito yung mga store ng mga social. Yan, Louis Vuitton, here in Bulgari. Pero, ang hinahanap talaga namin is the supermarket. Doon kasi may mga murang bilihin ng mga stuff for pasalubong.
Cracky.